Hello students. So today we are discussing part number 4 of the chapter The Mystery of Food from class 5. In this section we will discuss about MCQs, fill-ups, true false and question answers also.
Okay, now first question is which of the following conditions is not necessary for microbes to grow? Moisture, air, low temperature or warm temperature? किस में ग्रो नहीं करेंगे? Yes, correct answer is low temperature. Very good. Next question, what type of teeth is used for grinding food? Grinding into small little pieces. So, molars. Correct answer is option number 4. Molars grind them. Okay, next question is a fill up, that is storing food in fridge keeps it fresh because the blank temperature slows down the growth of microbes. Yes, low temperature slows down the growth of microbes. Next is to preserve fruits like mangoes for a long time, we can make blank or dry them. Yes, we can make pickle. We can make pickle or dry them to preserve it for a long time. Okay, next one is a blank is a good traditional way to keep water cool. पहले पानी को ठंडा रखने के लिए yes clay pots का यूज किया जाता था. We used clay pots in earlier days. Now next is saliva is released when we chew food and it helps to yes digest food. If we chew our food properly and slowly, saliva mix with the food and it helps in digestion also. Okay, so we should eat properly, slowly. Next question is true or false. You have to state true or false. First is all microbes are bad and spoil our food. सभी microbes बेकार होते हैं. No, it's wrong. Next is chewing food properly helps prevent choking. Think. Yes, it's right. If we chew properly, we will never have any problem. Next is drying food under the sun removes moisture which helps to preserve it. Yes, drying is also a method to preserve food. Next is oil keeps air from getting into pickle jar, helping to preserve the food. Yes, it's also absolutely right. Next is short answer questions. Next question is why does Disha's uttappam get spoiled in her lunchbox? The uttappam got spoiled because microbes grew on it. Microbes thrive in warm, moist environments and cause food to rot, which is why it had a foul smell and colored patches. Now the next question is explain 2 ways to preserve food. Answer is 2 ways to preserve food are first one is refrigeration. Storing food in a fridge at a low temperature slows down the growth of microbes, keeping the food fresh for a longer time. Next process drying or dehydration. Removing moisture from the food by drying it in the sun prevents microbes from growing as they need moisture to survive. This method is used for preserving things like chilies and mangoes. I know everyone like mangoes. Okay students, now the next question is how do pickles stay fresh for a long time? And the answer is pickles stay fresh for a long time because of the use of oil, salts, and spices. The oil acts as a barrier, keeping air and microbes out of the jar. Next question is why should we chew our food properly before swallowing? And the answer is we should chew food properly because chewing breaks down food into smaller pieces, which makes it easier to swallow and digest. Now, the section C part. Long answer type questions. First one is explain how different types of teeth help us to eat. Describe the function of each type of tooth. Your answer is our teeth have different shapes and functions to help us to eat a variety of foods. First one is incisors. These are the flat sharp teeth at the front of the mouth. Help for cutting and biting food. Next is canines. They are pointed teeth located next to the incisors used for tearing food. Next is premolars. These are located behind the canines and are used for crushing food. Next one is molars. These are the large, flat teeth at the back of the mouth used for grinding food into a mush. Next question is what are the four main conditions that cause food to spoil? Answer is the four main conditions that cause food to spoil are moisture, air, a warm temperature, and the presence of microbes. To prevent food from spoiling, we can control these conditions. First one is remove moisture. We can remove moisture by drying food in the sun or using a dehydrator. Second one is keep air away. We can store food in airtight containers or use a layer of oil like pickles to keep air from reaching the food. Third one is control temperature. Keeping food in cold place like a refrigerator or a freezer slow down the microbial growth. Now the next question is draw a label diagram of teeth. This is shown in the picture. I hope you understand this. Thank you and have a nice day.